In this module, we will use Google Forms to submit an answer key for grading in Flubaroo. To do this, first we will need to go to the same Google form that is used by students to submit their answers. Fill in each of the questions with the appropriate response. For questions with a numerical range of answers, type the lowest possible number, the word 2, and then the largest possible answer. When you are finished entering the answer key, select Submit at the bottom of the Google form. After you've created the answer key, you will need to prepare the answer key for Flubaroo. To do this, you will need to open up the Google form for editing from your Google Drive in a web browser such as Google Chrome. At the top of the Google form, you should see a tab that says Responses. Click on this tab. There is an icon to the right that will read Create Spreadsheet if you hover over it. Click on the Create Spreadsheet icon and then select Create from the pop-up window. This will create a new spreadsheet in the same Google Drive folder as the original Google form. Questions in the Google form that are checkbox, numerical range, or short free response questions need to be adjusted in the Google Sheet before Flubaroo can correctly grade the question. For checkbox questions, select the answer key response and double-click on it. At the very front of the response, type %CB followed by a space and press Enter to save the changes. The %CB command tells Flubaroo that this is a checkbox question and should award partial credit for correct answers and subtract partial credit for incorrect answers. To allow for a range of possible answers, questions use the Flubaroo command %2. Select the answer key response for the numerical range question and include the %2 command between the smallest and largest correct answer. It is important that you make sure that there is a space before and after the %2 command. Short free response questions can have multiple correct answers. To allow for multiple correct answers, put the %or command between correct answers, making sure that there is a space before and after the %or command. After these edits, your answer key should be ready to use with Flubaroo.